Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I am going to guide you how to use an emoji in Windows or PC. That is pretty simple. But before guiding, I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel and also requesting to hit that like button. So now I'm using a text file to implement an emoji. So I'm deleting all of the text from here. And now suppose I'm typing a sentence here. I am Mr. Tech Fox. So if I want to add an emoji here, I need to press in the keyboard Windows button plus dot button. And after pressing these two options, a pop-up has come here with the emojis. Now I can emojis from here either with the mouse or using keyboard. So I think this video will help you a lot, and by doing this you also can add emojis after your text. Okay, so there is an alternative way to do this, and that's Windows button plus semicolon button of the keyboard. That is same as usual. So I think this video will help you a lot, and that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care.